Here's how the oiler works on this Mac 1010. There's an inside piece, this, which is essentially driven from pulse pressure from the crank. And let me just show you what it's gonna do. I'm gonna push on this a little bit. It might still have some oil in it. Keep an eye on these two holes right here and watch what happens. You see that? Oil is coming out of that top hole. So this is essentially the pump, and it fits down in here like this, and had that upside down, and it gets its oil from here. So this little hose and the filter that you see here comes up and it ends here. And what it does is it comes out and it comes over into this hole, which I'll explain in a second. So it comes out of the case, up over into here, back into this pump, and then it gets pumped out and goes through this channel right here into your oiler for your bar. So now the question is, well, what's going on with this? Like, how does the oil get from here to here? And that is where this piece comes in. So this is a piece on the outside that lets the oil get from here to here. And the reason it's on the outside is because it has a manual plunger here. So that's for the manual pump, so that in addition to the automatic oiling that happens, you can also, there's a plunger that pushes on this and can also push oil into this hole, which ends up going back through the whole thing and comes out here in the same way that it did. So if you're not using the manual plunger, how does the pump operate? And that is through this channel here that actually comes out right in there. And that is into the crankcase. That's your pulse pressure. So normally, in a nutshell, your pulse pressure is driving this pump, which is pushing oil here. But in a pinch, if you need to give it a little more oomph, a little more oil, then you have this, and the plunger pushes on it to intercept the circuit and add a little bit more push of oil. So that is how the oiler works on these Mac 1010s.